perched on a glen atop the rugged Caraballo mountain range. At Nueva Vizcaya's remote border with Pangasinan, Malico lies in blissful seclusion. The perfect haven for tired souls seeking solace in this hurried world. Lying with an elevation of 1,150 meters, it seems like a tank. Can't be in such a place, but the doubt, Sherman Tank will prove. The mountain village of Malico is drawing more tourists for its cold weather, mountain range view, waterfalls, and sometimes a sea of clouds, plus its historical value in World War II. Malico is also known as Little Baguio, but for me, the vibe is more like Sagada, a place for people who are seeking comfort and peace. A good haven to unplug and disconnect from the chaos of modern world. Malico is the best place to reconnect with nature and just enjoy every moment for where it is, a good place perfect for people trying to move on.